Did you know that the sweet smell of lavender can help you relax? It's true. Lavender is a wonderful plant to have in your garden. Lavender is beautiful to look at. It has pretty purple flowers. Bees and butterflies love lavender too. Lavender is not just pretty. It is useful too. You can use lavender to make soap smell nice. You can even use lavender in cooking. It adds a special flavor to desserts. There are many types of lavender. Some lavender plants are tall. Others are short and bushy. English lavender is a popular choice. It does well in many gardens. French lavender likes warmer weather. It has flowers that look like little bunny ears. If you live in a cold place, don't worry. There are types of lavender that can grow in colder climates too. Lavender loves sunshine. Choose a sunny spot in your garden for your lavender plants. Lavender likes soil that drains well. This means the water doesn't stay around the roots too long. Lavender doesn't need a lot of water. Water your lavender when the soil feels dry. Don't overwater. Lavender needs pruning to stay healthy. Pruning means cutting back some of the plant. The best time to prune lavender is in the spring. Cut back the plant by about 1/3. Keep an eye out for pests. Pests are insects that can harm plants. If you see any, remove them carefully. Lavender is a tough plant. With a little care, your lavender will grow big and strong.